All right, so it says that Fran drove M miles in a car that she rented. To find R, the total cost of renting the car, she used the following formula. R equals 0.5 M plus 35. And our job is to determine which of these answers is an example of the dependent variable in this formula. So let's use a little common sense. It says that R represents the cost for renting the car. So that's how much she spent. And this stuff over here, when totaled all together, gives you that amount. So whatever we come up with for a number of M, which is miles driven, that is going to determine what her cost is. So you can sort of see already how this is going to work out. If her miles driven was 10 times 0.5 is 5 plus 35. That would be a total of $40 that her costs would have been. If her miles driven were 100, then 100 times 0.5, that's 50 plus 30, that would be $85 that her costs would be. So really the amount of miles that she drives is completely in control here, and the amount of money that she has to spend is completely dependent upon how many miles she will drive. So if that is dependent upon how many miles she'll drive, then it would make sense that R is our dependent variable. 0.5, that's not a variable. 35 is not a variable. So we can cross those two out right away. Really, the answer was between these two, and since R is dependent upon how many miles driven, or what M is, then our answer is answer A.